Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back in the Learning with Samina, and we are starting a series of tenses. So for those people who want to learn all of these in just few videos, so I have already posted videos on the tenses, but from now on I'm going to talk about each of them in detail. So those people who want to learn the detail of every tense and want me to cover everything, welcome here. So let's start without wasting your time. So today we're going to be talking about the present simple tenses. So these are called simple क्योंकि it is simple. अब उनके rules क्या होते हैं? What is the definition of it? Let's start from there. First of all, let me tell you, present simple sentences are the most common one. They are used to show action, general truth, and also habits. And there are so many ways to use it. And we're going to talk about the first one, which is affirmative. What is affirmative? I'm going to tell you with examples and sentences. We use the base form of the verb that is without to in most of our sentences, so that are called affirmative sentences. And also you have to remember this thing, for the third person singular which are he, she, it, s यूज होगा verbs के साथ, और वो आपको अभी समझ आ जाएगा what I'm trying to say. जैसे कि I play football, I play cricket, and if I say she, then I'm gonna say she plays football, she plays cricket. ओके, ही प्लेज क्रिकेट. सो जो भी ये सिंगुलर वर्ड्स होते हैं विच आर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर विच आर ही, शी, इट, उनके साथ यूज होता है एस. और जिस तरह बाकी सब होते हैं विच आर आई, वी, वे और भी बहुत सब, उन सब के साथ यूज होता है कुछ भी नहीं. तो उनके साथ आपने सिंपल वर्ब यूज करना है. आई ईट ब्रेकफास्ट, आई ईट ब्रेकफास्ट, शी ईट्स ब्रेकफास्ट. Okay, I watch TV, they watch TV, we watch TV, but she watches TV. Okay, she watches TV, and here we are going to use es. Okay, so this is how you have to use simple sentence in the affirmative way. Next we have the use of this one for the negative sentences. All you have to do is keep the same sentences, but you have to use do not and does not before the base form. Okay, so remember, for the third person singular, which are he, she, it, you have to use does not, and for all the rest of those, you have to use do not. I do not like coffee. She does not like coffee. We do not want to go. They do not want to go. She does not want to go. He does not want to go. Okay? I don't study on the weekends. She does not study on the weekends. Okay? So this is how you have to use it. Do not सबके साथ use करना है और does not use करना है with third person singular. Third person singular. Okay? Good job by the way. आप लोग सीख रहे हैं. Now we're going to talk about the next one, which is interrogative sentences. वो होते हैं where you are asking a question. यहाँ पे आपने सिर्फ एक चीज करनी है कि does और do को आपने base form of verb से पहले लगा देना है. ठीक है, तो वही रूल है कि थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के लिए आपने डज यूज करना है एंड फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ दोज आपने डू यूज करना है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन. इसकी एग्जांपल्स क्या हैं? वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट दैट. डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? डू दे स्पीक इंग्लिश? डज शी स्पीक इंग्लिश? डज ही स्पीक इंग्लिश? ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू यूज इट. डू लगाना है बाकी सबके साथ विच आर दे, वी, आई, और आपने डज लगाना है विद ही, शी, इट. Got it? Good job. Now we have fourth way to use this, which is when you are talking about time expressions, when you are using time expressions. What are those? You can always use time expressions to indicate about the time. Let's say I have to make some examples और मैं आपको सबसे पहले word बताती हूँ which you're going to use, such as always, every day, on Sunday, sometimes, often, on Sundays, on Mondays, etc. So I often eat pasta. I eat pasta regularly. Sometimes I eat pasta. On Mondays, I eat pasta. I always enjoy pasta. And now you know I love pasta. Anyway, so these are the words. I के साथ मैंने उनको use किया, right? और वो उन चीज़ों के लिए which are your habits as well, which is something you like. और time expressions के साथ आप use करें. That sometime I do it, often I do it, every day I do it. On Mondays I do it, on this occasion I do it. On Eid I do it, on this I do it. तो उनके साथ आप simple sentence use करते हैं in this way where you are talking about the universal truth. तो हमने यहाँ पे भी same rule है. यहाँ पे अगर हम she use करेंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे? She eats pasta. She always eats pasta. She often visits her grandfather. She often visits her grandfather. We study English every morning. She studies English every morning. We study English every morning. I study English every morning. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू यूज इट कि जो भी आपके सेंटेंसेस होंगे ऑफ थर्ड सिंगुलर उसके साथ आपने एस यूज करना है, एंड फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ दोस आपने एस नहीं यूज करना. दे ऑलवेज अराइव ऑन टाइम. आई ऑलवेज अराइव ऑन टाइम. शी ऑलवेज अराइव्स ऑन टाइम. ओके, नाउ लेट्स जंप ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन, which is kind of same one जो हमने अभी पढ़ा है, but this one is general truth and habits. Expression और time पिछला वाला था, लेकिन अगला ये है जिसमें you are referring to your habits and also a general truth. As this is often used to describe your routine, your habit and your general truth, right? Which are, I'm going to give you examples. Cats like milk. ये एक general truth है. I like milk. ये एक general truth है. I like to eat banana. General truth. I love pasta. General truth. She loves pasta. General truth as well. But she के साथ हमने s use करना है. You know it, right? अब तक तो आपको पता चल गया होगा what you have to use with this one. Got it? If you have any confusion, you can let me know. I wake up at 7 p.m. every day. She wakes up at 7 p.m. every day. I should have used am by the way. PM is like a little bit too late. But anyways, you got the point, right? Now, on lastly, we are going to be talking about third person singular ताकि आप लोगों को अच्छे से इसकी समझ आ जाए और उसके बाद we're going to wind it up. Always remember to add s to the base form of verb. Obviously for whom? For the third person singular. Let's now go through few of the examples. She teaches math. She teach math नहीं होगा. She teaches math. I teach math. I teach English. But she teaches English. Okay? Because it's she. शी ही इट. रिमेंबर इट, याद रखना है. अगली दफा कोई पूछे तो झट से बोल देना है बिकॉज आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट सो मच, राइट? अब एक और एग्जांपल करते हैं, देन वी कैन वाइंड अप. ही फिक्स हिज कार, नॉट ही फिक्स कार्स. आई फिक्स कार्स, बट ही fixes the cars. Okay, now you have got it. I hope you have got it. So on this note, let's end the video. If you have any problem, let me know, and